Minimize sanding time on bathroom drywall by applying controlled taping and finishing techniques that reduce the need for heavy abrasion. Start by planning your work in stages and keep joint compound layers thin and consistent so each coat dries uniformly and requires minimal sanding. Use a lightweight all-purpose or topping compound for the final coat because they level more smoothly and cut down on aggressive sanding. Feather every edge by extending the compound several inches beyond the previous coat and use a wide finishing knife to lay compound in flat, even passes. This reduces ridges that would otherwise need sanding. Mix compound to a creamy but not soupy consistency so it holds shape yet smooths easily, and stir frequently to remove air bubbles that cause pitting. After the final coat is dry, perform spot checks with a low-angle light to reveal small, high spots and remove them with a sanding block rather than aggressive rotary sanding. Reserve a hand sanding block with fine grit for short passes over seams and corners, and save power sanding for large flat areas only when absolutely necessary. For inside corners, avoid heavy compound buildup by tooling with a corner trowel or small drywall knife and wipe the tool clean between passes to maintain a smooth bead. Common mistakes include applying overly thick coats that require a lot of sanding and increased drying time, so apply thinner, multiple layers and allow full drying between coats. Another frequent issue is poor feathering at the edges, which creates ridges. Fix this by using wider knives and progressively larger scrapers to blend each layer outward. A third problem is reliance on power sanders for all work, which creates dust and can gouge drywall. Use hand sanding for detail work and capture dust with a vacuum-attached sander when a large area must be smoothed. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like drywall finishing, and we make it easy to find local professionals and project ideas. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other solve tricky mudding and sanding challenges.